It is unbelievable how much time we waste every day looking for tools, retrieving material, or trying to find where something goes. One of the foundational principles of Lean Six Sigma is 5S, and it stands for sort, straighten, shine, systematize, and sustain. Can your company, office, or even home use some organization? Let's see how this strategy works. Can you identify which numbers between 1 and 30 are missing? It will likely take you a while, and this is why the first step is to sort through everything in that area and remove all materials and equipment that are not being reused regularly. The next step is to straighten everything remaining. This is much better. We can now identify that there are 4 numbers that are missing. But there's still opportunity. Utilizing the next step, we will shine or clean the area, making things more visible. This is why manufacturing plants paint their floors and machines in a very light color, even white. The moment brown oil starts to drip on a machine, it becomes visible, and people can respond to correct that issue before it becomes a large problem. Now our goal is to systematize the process by utilizing a visual management system throughout the organization. The last step is now to sustain the improvement. And this means that every single employee needs to be fully committed, and it needs to be driven by senior leadership. In addition to commitment, a weekly audit where the score is posted for everyone to see is a great way to give visibility for the opportunities within the system. Not only is 5S a great team building initiative, but it pays huge dividends in safety, quality, and productivity through the elimination of waste.